For years, people have been asking one terrifying question. What would happen if every nuclear weapon on Earth exploded at the same time? We searched everywhere for a clear answer, and couldn't find one. So, using real scientific estimates, let's calculate it ourselves. How many nukes exist? Right now, humanity possesses roughly 15,000 nuclear warheads. The majority belong to the United States and Russia, while the rest are spread among China, France, the UK, Pakistan, India, Israel, and North Korea. But what does that actually mean in real-world destruction? There are about 4,500 major cities on Earth, with populations over 100,000. If we assume that 3 modern warheads could eliminate one city, the existing nuclear arsenal could wipe out every major city on the planet and still have 1,500 bombs left over. That would mean over 3 billion deaths, almost instantly. This is not defense. This is overkill, stacking all the bombs together. Now let's do something insane. Instead of spreading them out, imagine placing all 15,000 nuclear weapons in one enormous pile and detonating them at once. Drop this pile in the heart of the Amazon rainforest. A single modern warhead releases about 200,000 tons of TNT in energy. Together, 15,000 of them equal roughly 3 billion tons of TNT. That is 15 times stronger than the eruption of Krakatoa, one of the most violent volcanic explosions in recorded history. The first explosion, the moment the detonation begins, a fireball nearly 50 kilometers wide, forms instantly. Everything within that zone is completely vaporized. A massive shockwave levels thousands of square kilometers of forest. Any living thing within 250 kilometers ignites from thermal radiation. The explosion is so powerful that the pressure wave travels around the globe multiple times. The mushroom cloud punches into the upper atmosphere, pushing against the edge of space. When the fires finally subside, a crater 10 kilometers wide remains, surrounded by the largest wildfire system the planet has seen in thousands of years. The Amazon is essentially gone. Fallout and global effects radioactive debris spreads across the planet. Global radiation levels rise significantly. Not enough to end civilization, but enough to cause increased cancer rates for decades. Particles in the upper atmosphere reduce sunlight and lower global temperatures for several years. A small-scale nuclear winter. Human civilization survives. Badly damaged, but still standing. Now, the real doomsday. What if humanity used all the uranium on Earth to build weapons? There are about 35 million tons of uranium in Earth's crust, enough for millions of warheads. Now imagine an explosion equal to 10 billion. Hiroshima bombs, roughly the energy of the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. When this detonation occurs, the ground behaves like liquid. A 100-kilometer crater forms. Mountain ranges vanish. Rocks are launched into space. The atmosphere heats to deadly levels. Global firestorms ignite. Earthquakes shake the entire planet. The sky darkens for decades. Sunlight vanishes. Temperatures plunge. Nearly all large life forms, including humans, go extinct. This becomes humanity's final chapter. The aftermath, a few survivors in deep bunkers or submarines, may last longer, but eventually they too perish. The planet itself continues on. Millions of years later, new life flourishes. Future intelligent beings may someday uncover a strange thin layer of rock around the world, filled with radioactive elements, plastics, and artificial materials. They will wonder, what kind of species could have done this to itself?